Welcome to Tiny Treasures. The Teletubbies are playing with the Little Tikes toys today. First, let's play on the blue slide, Teletubbies. Tinky Winky's gonna crawl through one of the bottom holes in the orange panel. Whee! Po is going to climb through this circle in the green panel. She puts her arms up. Oh, good job, Po! Whee! Lala's just going to walk through the door in the back on the blue panel. Hey, look, it's Lala the kitty cat. She wants to play on the slide too. Watch Lala go down the slide, Lala. Whee! Silly Lala's tail. Dipsy wants to play in the sandbox. The sandbox is in the shape of a turtle. Let's remove the cover and see if there's sand inside. Uh-oh, there's nothing inside. We better add something for Dipsy to play with. How about some beautiful stones? Whee! Uh-oh, you knocked over the car, Kitten. Tinky Winky wants to play in the car. Open the door. Oh! Vroom, 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 vroom. Uh-oh, Kitten, be nice to Tinky Winky. How about we add a new tiny toy for our Teletubbies with the mini Little Tikes surprise ball. What could be inside? Maybe a shopping cart? Let's open it up and have a look. Uh-oh, now we have both silly kittens. Don't eat the stones, little kittens. They aren't kitty food. No, no. Let's put the cover on the turtle. Bye-bye, stones. Oh, look at the surprise ball. There's a sun and clouds and an airplane. Now let's see what surprise we have. Oh, look, tiny fans. I think we've got a small version of the junior activity gym. It's gonna be so tiny. But wait, do we have two prizes? Maybe the Teletubbies will have the little wagon to play with too. Let's see what's inside the junior activity gym. It's so cute. It's much too tiny for the Teletubbies. Now let's have a look at the little wagon. It must be so tiny too. Oh, we open the side of the box. Oh, look, Teletubbies. You could put your toys in this little wagon. Lala's pulling the wagon. Oh. Now what's inside the little mystery bags? What are these for? Do you know? This is inside the other mystery bag. Look, we can create a little table for the Teletubbies or a little chair. Ew! There's only one chair, so Lala must share. That rhymes. Po's turn. And thank you for having fun with us today. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Uh-oh. Goodbye.